What if something goes wrong after you receive the product? What's up, homie? I'm Tony from LCSign. Although our products have excellent quality and expected before packaging and shipping, false events during transportation may insult the risk of product damage. This video will show you what to do if there is a problem with the product you receive. Remember to like and follow us so that we can get started. 1. Contact us and let us know about your situation. 2. To show the details, you need to take pictures or videos and send them to us so that we can understand them. 3. We'll analyze the cause of the problem and we'll give you a reply within 2 working days. 4. We remake the sign that is damaged for you in the same production time as your sign was. LCSign is an advertising sign manufacturer with over 13 years of experiences. We have a professional team and after-sales service dedicated to manufacturing high-quality products. Customer satisfaction is our greatest motivation. If you have any questions, contact us and we will provide you with the best product options and solutions. Follow LCSign for more. Thank you for watching. See you next time.